I'm Vicki Hall with RE/MAX Masters Millennium. I have a real estate secret that can give you, a home seller, major peace of mind. What if I told you that you could sell your home today and live in it for up to 59 days after closing, maybe even rent-free? Would that solve one of your biggest concerns as a home seller and make the experience less stressful? It could, number one, drastically increase your chances of finding a replacement home. Number two, help prevent a double move. After all, moving once is plenty of brain damage. You don't want to double that. Number three, increase your bottom line. And number four, give you peace of mind. You see, because of our drastic lack of homes for sale in the Denver metro area, buyers are always looking for an edge to get their offer accepted over the competing offers. So sometimes they are willing to offer you a post-closing occupancy agreement. That's the secret, a post-closing occupancy agreement. Some buyers will even allow you to live there rent-free for up to 59 days after closing. Give me a call to hear more about how this can work to make your home selling experience much less stressful. I'm Vicki Hall at RE/MAX Masters Millennium.